tayo sa Holy Cross, guys. Holy Cross. Ayan. Ang ganda ng rose, guys. Fresh na fresh siya. Ang ganda ng pagka-pink niya, guys. Ayan. Mini rose yan, guys. Mini rose. Ayan. Ang tulips. Ayan, guys. So, ang cute. Ayun pa, guys. Oh. Ang ganda ng bulaklak ni Mama Mary, guys. Ayan si Mama Mary. Hello, Mama Mary. Please bless me and my family, my loved ones, my friends, my team. Please help us, Mama Mary. This morning, guys, andito tayo sa Holy Cross, guys. Oh, ang daming bulaklak, guys. Oh, ang daming nagbigay ng mga bulaklak dito sa Holy Cross, guys. Oh, ang gaganda, guys. Oh. Kahapon ito, Sunday kahapon, guys. Ayan. Tingnan ninyo, ang dami, guys. Oh. Ang gagandang mga bulaklak. Ayan, guys. And oh. Dito tayo sa Holy Cross, guys. Nag-visit tayo. Yan. Ito ang ginagawa ko, guys, every day. Nagbi-visit ako. Yan, guys. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Please watch my video, friends in white all over the world. Please welcome and watch my video, guys. Like and subscribe. Please watch these lovely, beautiful flowers here in Holy Cross, guys. Yan. Yan yung Holy Cross, guys. Oh. Mega love shout out, friends in YT. Mega love shout out, Team Zumbi. Watch my video, guys. Thank you. Ay, oh, tignan ninyo yung mga roses. Ito, ayan. Maganda, no? Mahal ang mga ganito, guys. Lalo ng mga roses. Mahal. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda ng bulaklak nito. Parang cauliflower. Ayan. Yung purple. Ayan, guys. Okay. Uwi na. Ayan, guys. Uwi na tayo, guys. Uwi na. Dan muna tayo sa market. Ayan. Try, guys. I'm so young and you're so old. This, my darling, I've been told. I don't care what they say, 'cause forever I will pray. You and I
most. Oh my darling, you're the most. I love you, but do you love me? Oh Diana, can't you see? I love you with all my heart, and I hope we'll never part. Oh, please stay by me, Diana. Oh my darling, oh my lover, tell me that there's no other. I love you with all my heart. Oh oh, oh oh, oh don't you know I love you so? Only you can take my heart. Only you can. Hold me, darling, hold me tight. Squeeze me, baby, with all your might. Oh, please stay by me. Diana. Oh, yeah. I'm but a fool, but if you leave me.
Ang ganda ng flowers, guys. Fresh na fresh yung mga roses. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan ng flowers na yan. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda niya, guys.